Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I wanted to come on today and share with you an exclusive line of products that go live today, November the 1st, 2018, in my online Stampin' Up! Store, and that is the Snowflake Showcase. So these products are limited time, only for the month of November 2018. So I wanted to give you an up-close look at some of the products in this line. So we have got 2 stamp sets featured in the Snowflake Showcase. So the first one is the Happiness Surrounds stamp set. What I love about this stamp set is it's not focused on Christmas. You've got these sort of snowflake looking images, but then you've got some very versatile sentiments. So here's to new beginnings, sending positive thoughts, hello friend, it's your day, congratulations, and surround yourself with happiness, and then some other little fun images that you can stamp. So I love the versatility of this stamp set, that it's not just focused on winter and Christmas, that it's got a lot of other sentiments that can be used year-round. And this is also a photopolymer stamp set. Love photopolymer. And then the second stamp set in this product line is the Snow is Glistening stamp set, and this one is more of a Christmas winter themed set. I really love this one. I love this Christmas tree here that is built of snowflakes. I thought that was really neat. And again, you've got some great sentiments, and I love the scripty font of the sentiments, some more snowflakes, and then this little scattered snowflake, snow falling image is a lot of fun. I think that's going to be great for some background stamping. So the sentiments say, Merry Christmas to you and peace on earth to all the world. Joy, each snowflake is beautiful, sparkling, and special, just like you, sending a blizzard of wishes for a wonderful season. And then you've got for you, and then you've also got the trunk of the tree. So just a really great stamp set. Again, this one is also photopolymer, and you can see how large those images are. So just a really, really fun set to work with. And this image right here, the cool thing about it, it looks like it's one image. To me it did. It looked like one stamp, but it's actually 2 different images. So really cool set. And I actually will be announcing later today a Club QuitaBug free card kit to go along with this stamp set. So make sure you check back on my channel or hit the little notification bell so that you can be notified when that video goes live. Then you've got this really fun white velvet paper. So you get 2 12 by 12 sheets of this paper, and you can, I don't know if you can see anything, but just listen. Okay, can you hear that? So, sorry, just moving my light. So it's got this nice texture to it, perfect for a snowy background or for those snowflakes to do some die cutting with this. So just some really fun paper. And then there are also these Snowflake Trinkets, and you get 20 of them in a pot. And there are 2 different designs. You get 10 of each design. Let's see if I can show you. And there's also a little rhinestone in the center of each snowflake. So very, very fun. And these are nice, lightweight elements. They're thin, so they're not going to add, hopefully that's focused, I can't tell. So they're not going to add a lot of bulk or weight to your cards or projects, so that's nice. And then also found in this collection of products are the Snowfall Thinlits dies. So these are not included as a bundle option. You do have to buy all of these products separately, but there are some coordinating Thinlit dies, and these dies coordinate with both stamp sets. So again, these are limited time products. They are only available during the month of November 2018 while supplies last. And don't forget, I will be offering a free card kit to go along with the Snow is Glistening stamp set. And then anyone who purchases the Happiness Surrounds stamp set from me during the month of November will receive a free PDF bundle during the month of December with at least 3 project tutorials featuring this stamp set. So you can find direct links to all of these products in my online store by clicking in the video description below. And you can also find a few sample projects over on today's coordinating blog post featuring these products as well. And I've linked to that blog post just below the video in the description notes. So thanks again for joining me today, you guys, and I'll be back soon with another tutorial. Bye now.